Welcome back to Vlogmas episode 7. Today we are doing a Black Friday haul because everything finally came in. I am going to start with Woodbury because I took you guys with me to go shopping at Woodbury, starting with the most expensive item from miumiu. It comes in the miumiu box. If you guys watched Vlogmas episode 1, you guys know what I got already. I picked up these Mary Janes. So they weren't on sale at miumiu at the outlet, but they were still outlet pricing, which is still really good because retail they are $1,200 and I picked these up for $600, which are a steal to me. I cannot wait to style these. These give very much Gossip Girl vibes. Moving on, I picked up something from Tory Burch. I went in thinking I wasn't gonna buy anything because I feel like they don't have a very good bag selection. I was thinking I would pick up a pair of shoes or something, but I left with this bag. It's a pink little mini bag. It is so adorable. It was originally $400 and they were having 60% off, so I picked this up for $160 plus tax. Next is DKNY. I actually wasn't expecting to buy anything here. We just randomly walked past it and my mom's like, let's go in, check it out, and I left with something. I picked up this coat. I actually already wore it because it's been so cold in New York and this is so warm and cozy. It's fur on the inside and it is suede on the outside. This was $400 and they were having 60% off and additional 20% off on top of it, so I think it was like $128. Such a good find. And last but not least, from Woodbury, I picked up something from Victoria's Secret. I had to snag this PJ because I was gonna buy it online, but my size sold out, so I was really happy that I was still able to find my size at the outlet. This was 40% off, so this was originally $80. I think I got it for around $48. I did also pick up some undies. They were having a bundle sale. It was 7 for $35. And now moving on to my online shopping, I picked up something from MEJ. I've been wanting these pop star clips for the longest time. I love that they're like little angel wings. They are so cute. I'm obsessed. I also picked up the sweetheart clip, which has these little bows on it. It's so freaking adorable. This is the smaller version, so it won't clip up all my hair, so it's more for like a half up, half down. So stinking cute. I also ordered this pink toothbrush from Amazon. I think it's originally $60. I picked it up for $35, $36. I also ordered some stuff from Lululemon, which is considered free to me because I have the American Express Platinum, which they give you $75 quarterly to spend, and I got a gift card last quarter and I had $75 from this quarter, so I just ended up buying from Lululemon. I picked up this tennis skirt. I got it for, how much did I get it for? I think I got it for like $55. It was originally $88. And these two weren't on sale. I picked up this pair of mittens. It's so cute. It has a string, so like I'm never gonna lose it. I can just wrap it around me. It's so adorable. This wasn't on sale. I think it was like $62 or $66. Something around there. But I love how cute it is. It's so cute. And I also picked up this little bow scrunchie. It wasn't on sale. This is $16. Last but not least, it's something from Nana Jacqueline. This was on my Christmas wish list, so I had to take advantage of the sale. Picked up this Angelica feather coat. It was originally $510 and was 25% off. I got it for like $380 something, $360 something. I am obsessed. This has been on my wish list for the longest time. Oh my gosh. I have to take this paper off. It's like little gems. How sparkly. I am in love. I can't wait to wear this with my mitts. And they also gave me a little freebie. They gave me some pasties. Yay! We love a good freebie. This is the coat with the mitt and the new bag. I am obsessed. I can't wait to wear this outfit out. Oh my gosh, I'm just so happy. This is not the girliest, most feminine outfit ever. That is everything I got for Black Friday. Thanks for watching and come back for episode 8. Love you!